US's TikTok ban set to take effect January 19 unless Supreme Court intervenes. Washington, D.C. *The United States is poised to implement a nationwide ban on TikTok starting January 19, unless the Supreme Court steps in to halt the decision. The move comes amid heightened national security concerns surrounding the popular social media platform, which is owned by Chinese tech company ByteDance. The ban, announced late last year, follows allegations that TikTok poses risks to U.S. user data and could be exploited by the Chinese government for surveillance. The Biden administration has supported efforts to address these concerns, stating that the app's ties to China represent an unacceptable threat to national security. TikTok, which boasts over 150 million active users in the U.S., has consistently denied these allegations, insisting that it has implemented measures to protect user data. The company has proposed storing U.S. user data within the country through partnerships with American companies, but these efforts have failed to satisfy lawmakers. ByteDance filed an emergency appeal to the Supreme Court in late December, arguing that the ban violates free speech rights and disproportionately harms businesses and creators who rely on the platform for income. TikTok influencers and advocacy groups have also spoken out, calling the ban an overreach and a blow to digital creativity. Legal experts are divided on whether the Supreme Court will intervene. If the court chooses not to act, the ban will go into effect, making it illegal to download or operate the app within U.S. borders. Major app stores, such as Apple and Google, would also be required to remove TikTok from their platforms. The potential ban has sparked outrage among users, with hashtags like #SaveTikTok trending across social media. Many argue that the app has become a vital platform for small businesses, artists, and activists to connect with their audiences. Opponents of the ban also fear it sets a dangerous precedent for government control over internet platforms. Banning TikTok is not just about one app. It's about the future of digital freedom, said Evan Greer, director of the digital rights group Fight for the Future. Supporters of the ban, however, believe it is a necessary step to protect national security. The risks posed by TikTok are too great to ignore, said Senator Marco Rubio, one of the app's most vocal critics. This is about safeguarding American privacy and sovereignty. As the January 19 deadline approaches, all eyes are on the Supreme Court to see whether it will grant ByteDance's appeal. If it doesn't, the ban will mark a major turning point in U.S.-China tech relations and the regulation of digital platforms in the United States.